The horse is an animal with perhaps the most significant role in human history. Horses have always been faithful helpers and friends to humans. The horse is one of the few animals that can be friends, sincerely and unselfishly. Horses' ancestors were the size of the average dog. Horses were also attributed outstanding intellectual abilities. The height and the withers of the smallest horse in the world was only 44.5 centimeters. The radius of view of the horse's eyes is almost a full circle. It can see everything that happens behind it without even turning its head. The horse's eyes can move independently of each other. The average lifespan of a horse is about 30 years. Horses see colored dreams. Many horses taste coffee. Horses can recognize emotion in the human voice. Many horses like music, but not all music relaxing tunes are to their liking. These animals really know how to sleep standing up. Horses have a great memory. They can remember their beautiful life, but they don't forget their friends either. A secondary function of a horse's hooves is a pump that pumps blood up through the blood vessels when the horse steps on the ground. Rough hooves are actually one of the horse's most sensitive sensory organs. To feel fit, the horse has to chew something all the time. It devours food little by little, but continuously. In more than 24 nations, the horse is considered a sacred animal. Horses are able to recognize other horses in pictures and photographs. In the African Maasai tribe, it is believed that a man killed by a horse is sure to go to heaven. In all, there are about 60 million horses in the world, including wild horses. The most horse-densely populated country is China. The wool of New Zealand horses is almost impossible to get wet. It repels water falling on it. horse is excellent at navigating the terrain, even in the dead of night, snowfall or downpour. The highest horse jump with a rider was officially recorded in 1949. Its height was 2 meters 47 centimeters.